1 minute I'm here. Next minute I'm here. Next minute I'm here. And what is up, guys? And it's about 4 minutes now. Right, so 1, 2, 3, we're fourth place. Yeah, 4 minutes trying to find my place, like, to do a video. Like, wow, it took me so long. Yes, guys, Subskills here, and today we have got another video. I have another video. This is my first video. Yeah. Okay, right. Yeah, just cut. Yes, guys. Yeah. So today we are going to be doing a little review for my first video. And this is going to be like the new Musket toy. Yes, so we are going to be doing a fidget spinner review. If you don't know what these things are, you should probably be thinking about, like, just reconsidering your life. Anyway, I'll go and get one. I'll be 1 second. Okay, so these are the fidget spinners. Let me just try and get one in each hand. Yeah, it would be easier if I put them on a surface, wouldn't it? Okay, right, okay. I'll go to a different. See you in a minute, guys. You guys, I'm back, and yeah. So yeah, these fidget spinners. Donkey Kong. So the white one, the green one, and the black one. Yeah. Good. Yeah, so these things are like the new Musket toy. Like, all you have to do is spin them. But like, they're so popular. Oh, yeah. See if I can spin one on each hand. It's hard because you need 2 fingers to spin it. Actually, no, you don't. Actually, no, yeah, you kind of do. 1 finger to hold, 1 finger to spin. I got away. Okay, so guess that's like, at least they're both spinning. Come on. Okay, I'm just gonna spin one at a time. There's the black one, goes pretty fast. The white one, bing. And then the green one. Yeah, the green one's like really delicate, so I need to spin it on one side, otherwise it will only spin for 6 seconds. So if I spin it on this side, look, it won't spin for very long, look. Just observe. It just stops. But if I spin it the other side, it spins for a lot longer. Yeah. So yeah, guys, these are the new like Musket toys. So if you want to get them, you can get them from the Entertainer, get them online, and yeah, you can get them in all different colours. I'm getting another one orange. Yeah, so for like, will I really be able to carry them in each hand? Yeah, just put 2 in that hand, 2 in that hand. Oh, I'm so clever. Anyway, yeah. So guys, I will see you in the next video, which will probably be a video. Yeah. Bye. See ya. Wouldn't wanna be. Oh yeah.